Lifts your skin, refreshing. So hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is what I use first. I use it once or twice every week. So this is a pineapple scrub with walnut extract. So apparently I'm supposed to use it for my full body, but I don't. I just use it for my face. And yeah, so when I apply this on my face, I leave it for some time. Okay, I leave it for some time and use this. This is a black soap, papaya body wash. So this is what my face eats once every week. So I'm done brushing, and this is the next step. I'll bathe with this papaya body wash Avila product. So yeah, see. What I do first is I clean my face with this face toner, hibiscus face toner. Okay, I clean my face with it, let it dry. Then I put on vitamin C serum. Okay, just this for the day, but at night I use vitamin C serum and the snail serum. I use the two at night, but during the day, like in the morning, I use this. So after this, I go in with my rose hip face cream, all Avila products, rose hip face cream. This is what I use. So I don't use body lotion on my face. I have a face cream, and I advise you get one too. Then there's my body lotion, body butter, avocado. So this is thick, this cream is heavy, so I mix it in with caramel oil. Sometimes I use almond oil, or I use the two depending on my mood. So yeah, I also have maca root oil. Okay, I use this on my hair. Actually, I use this, and this is not Avila, but I use it on my edges. And yeah, this is their stretch mark cream. I'm yet to use this, so let me open it and show you how the inside is. So this is what it looks like. I've had this for a very long time, and my stretch marks are not much, so I don't really blame myself. I can't blame myself for not using this because I don't really have stretch mark. I'm just a product junkie. I bought it when I was pregnant for my son, anticipating that I'll have stretch marks, but now I have him and I don't have stretch marks. So let me open this and show you what it looks like, how thick it is. So, and yeah, there's nothing wrong in actually having stretch marks and loving your stretch marks. There is nothing wrong with that. So this is how thick the cream, the lotion is. It's very thick. So I just take a bit and mix it in with oil and apply on my body. So that's that. Yeah, just to be clear, this I use for my face, this I use for my face, this I use for my face, and the face toner obviously for my face. This for my body, and the oils for my body. I don't use oil. I don't use the almond oil and the caramel oil on my face. So just to clarify that.
A few minutes later.
So yeah, I was trying to make another video, but as usual the noise, so I think we'll stop here. I wanted to do a try not to laugh challenge. I might still do it though, but with the way I'm saying things, it's like people are out to get me. Just look at how this tricycle packed here. I have a feeling that once I start this video, that's when he will want to move. You see? So yeah, hopefully they leave and I'm able to make the video. If I'm able to film the video, I'll upload it today. So that's my skincare routine and my day to day. See my face compared to how it was before. I'll post a before picture so you can see what my face looked like before.